I think Me Too is starting to reach Pakistan.
But it's still reached a very small percentage of the population. So we've seen a few women from the media who have come forward with their stories. However, we still have not seen the Me Too campaign spread to the wider society. So it's just beginning.
Pakistani criminal law has multiple provisions covering sexual violence, sexual harassment on one end, to rape, kidnapping with that intent, sexual assault, and battery. Rape laws were amended in 2016 to mandate DNA tests, render police susceptible to punishment if they do not investigate cases, safeguards for women reporting their cases in terms of police officers, female police officers present when they report a case, preservations for their privacy and confidentiality. Practically, I think we need to develop our forensic techniques. They still suffer from gender bias. They're not using state-of-the-art methods. They mistrust women based on presumptions of their class, ethnicity. And on the substantive side, there is a lot of room for development of the concept of consent.
Overall, I would still say that there are very many who still kept quiet due to social norms as well as other inhibitions that they have and fear of being attacked for their character, etc.
There are multiple criticisms of the law, but a few of the most commonly heard ones are, number one, that it covers only traditional workplaces. So non-traditional workplaces like farms or women working in the agricultural sector or women working in informal labor. Such workplaces cannot have an inquiry committee because they're not organized in that way. The second criticism is that the inquiry committee, which is set up by an employer at a workplace, adjudicates or decides a complaint. One can then, if dissatisfied with their decision, appeal to the ombudsperson. The ombudsperson is not necessarily a judge. That means that you have taken the appeals of sexual harassment outside of the regular judicial process. And this could in the future delay, impede, or affect interpretation of the law, the development and evolution of the statute that governs sexual harassment at the workplace. The problem is in the implementation. The problem is also in various steps in the criminal investigation system, as well as trials, judges, and the appeals.
A whispered network is an informal network of women that women use to share information about people in their particular industries who are known to be sexual harassers or creeps in general. We warn each other about different professors, for example, or different teachers to avoid. Me Too is just one manifestation of a long history of activism and struggle against sexual harassment that has taken place amongst women and men around the world for decades, if not centuries. In our own part of the world, women have been struggling against sexual harassment for many, many years. This is nothing new, but Me Too provides an opportunity for people to organize around this common hashtag, and it's kind of given new life to the movement against sexual harassment.
Not going to allow this to happen anymore. We are going to stand up now. We are united women from every section of society.